Welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn about the precedence and associativity of the particular C program. Here, the precedence and associativity both two are interrelated and with some major advantages which are provided for this associativity and the precedence is to evaluating the expression. Why do we use this? Evaluation of the expression. Evaluation of the expression. For the evaluation of the expression, we have to know the precedence and the associativity. What is an expression? What is an expression? An expression is the combination of operators, operands, and the special symbols also, an expression. So to evaluate an expression, we have to follow some precedence and the associativity. Evaluation of the expression should have to follow precedence and the associativity. Now, see what is the precedence? What is the precedence? C has a precedence and associated with it. This precedence is used to determine how an expression involving more than one operator is evaluated. Basically, association represents the operator, the highest level of precedence are evaluated first. Association in the sense, if an expression is there, for example, x is equal to a plus b, x is equal to a plus b is an associate, is an expression. From this expression, how it evaluates? Basically, the basic need of the expression is from left to right association. What is the basic of evaluation of every expression? Every expression has to evaluate left to right expression. Evaluation. So, is equal to assignment statement has the right to left assessment. And the operator plus is also used to get evaluation of left to right evaluation. Association operators of the same precedence are evaluated either from the left to right or from the right to left. Association, we have to evaluate left to right or the right to left, depending on the level. This is known as associativity. Association will be evaluated with the left to right association or the right to left association, depending upon the precedence of the operator that has to be taken. Precedence of the operator that has to be taken. See this precedence and associativity. C has a precedence and associated with it. This precedence is used to determine how an expression involving more than one operator is evaluated. More than one operator. When precedence come, association in the sense for every expression follow default association from right to left association. Some operators follow right to left. Some operators follow left to right association. Default association is left to right association. Some operators follow right to left association. Okay. So precedence, where the precedence will come if an expression contains same precedence, same priority of operators, then we follow association. So precedence is nothing but an operator has some precedence, that is the value. Highest precedence or the lowest precedence, least precedence, that has in the precedence. So see this example, precedence. Precedence rules decides the order in which different operators are applied. Precedence rules decides the order in which different operators are applied. precedence. Associativity rule decides the order in which multiple occurrences of the same level of operators. Precedence means rules decides the operator has some value. Value in the sense operator has some value in the sense some precedence, highest precedence. Precedence and associativity rules decide the order in which the different operators are applied. The order in which the different operators are applied. Associativity rules decides the order in which the multiple occurrences of the same level operators are applied. C operators with their precedence and associativity are listed in this table. Now we have to list that C operators and their precedence. So see this precedence and operators associativity. Function call has the highest precedence. Function call has the highest precedence. Function call. In this function call, highest precedence is there. And next, array elements reference is also highest precedence. After that, unary, plus, minus, increment, decrement, logical operator, asterisk, address operator, size of operators. So all those are the next precedence. Okay. So rank 1 we gave to these operators. After that, rank 2 these operators. And unary plus, unary minus. Unary plus minus has its precedence. And also third category comes to the third category of multiplication. That is, multiplication has a third category, and division, modular division, addition, subtraction are the third category of operators. The precedence means what is the precedence? Priority of the operator. Precedence in the sense priority of the operator. Depending upon the priority of operator, we have to evaluate an expression. Priority of the operator, we have to evaluate an expression. So when associativity follows, whenever the same precedence of operators available in an expression, at that time associativity follows. For example, see this expression: A is equal to x plus b minus c. This is an expression. In this expression, what is the default associativity? From left to right association. Associativity. Now, here how many operators are there? Plus and minus. Both two are operators of same precedence. The level 2, both two operators are of same precedence. Not level 2, level 3. So same precedence of operators. Plus and minus, both two addition, subtraction of same operators are having same precedence. Division, multiplication, modular division are same category precedence. So this left to right association is follows. When you take the when any expression have the same precedence operators available, at the time we follow left to right association. So how it evaluates? It evaluates x plus b first, and then minus c will be evaluated. After that, this value comes something minus c. Likewise, the precedence will come. Plus and minus, both two are same precedence. So if you take this example, if you take this example, for example, say A is equal to B into C plus D. B into C plus D. This is an expression. Suppose this is an expression. This expression contains how many operators? Is equal to assignment operator is one operator. Next one multiplicity operator, and next one addition operator. So least priority of this operator is the assignment operator. Assignment operator, right to left association. Now this expression contains plus and into and the plus, both two operators. How it evaluates? That will evaluates B into C. First it evaluates, and then the result with addition with D. Highest precedence is multiplicity among plus and into. So at the time we follow left to right association. If the same expressions are available, division, suppose division is here, then we follow left to right association. Okay? Association and the precedence will be following to evaluate an expression based on the given different description of operators. So first priority given to the brackets, highest priority. Highest priority is given to the brackets, highest priority. So after that, highest priority is given to the first these operators. After that, next priority is for unary, incremental, decremental, unary plus, minus. All these are comes under one category. Pointers, ampersand, all these are comes under this category. Second priority, and the next priority multiplication. Multiplication has next priority. And next addition, subtraction, and next left shift to right shift operators. Left shift, right shift operators. Come to these operators. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. All these are following left to right, left to right, left to right. All those are left to right. All are associated with the left to right association only. But only thing we found the conditional operator has right to left association. Right to left association. Conditional operator follow right to left association, and also the unary operators is also follow right to left association. Unary operators, conditional operators having right to left association, and right to left association is also assignment operator. Right to left association is also assignment operator. What is condition operator? One right to left association. Assignment operator, right to left association follows, and that is one operator is there. That is also right to left association. That is say right to left association. Unary operators, all size of operators. So ampersand operator. Next, not operator, increment, decrement, all it will follow right to left association. Remaining all are left to right association. So the least priority for the comma is the least priority, 50th rank. Comma is the least priority. Okay. So follow this operator precedence and associativity. Comma operator has lowest precedence. Comma operator. Unary operators are operators having highest precedence. What is the unary operator's highest precedence? And after that, comma operator is the lowest precedence. Operators sharing common block in the above table have equal priority or precedence. Operators sharing. So while solving the expression, equal priority operators are handled on the basis of FIFO, first in, first out. First in, first out. First in, first out means left to right. If an expression contains the equal priority operators, at that we follow first in, first out. First in, first out. At the time we have to follow first in, first out. Okay? First in, first out. Operator coming first in handled first. What is this first in, first out? Whatever the operators are coming first, that operator has to be executed first. After that, another operator executed next. Okay? So, example of precedence associativity, you have to see. In this example, num1, 10 and 20 has already declared. 10 and 20 value has been declared. So, result variable is also declared. Result variable num has now num is equal to 10 value, num2 is equal to 20 value. Okay. So now what is this expression? Num into 2 plus num2. What actually num has? 10 into 2 plus num2. That means what is this expression? 10 into 2 plus 20 num2. 10 into 2 plus 20 is equal to the result. See this expression. 10 into 2 plus 20. So this expression contains two operators. Asterisk operator and the plus operator. So how it evaluates? 10 into 20, 2 are evaluated, or 10 into 2 evaluate first, or 2 into 20 evaluate first, depending upon the given chart. So first of all, what is the highest priority of into and plus among those two? Into is the highest priority. Now which evaluates the 10 into 2. Which evaluates the 10 into 2. 10 into 2 first. After that 10 into 2, 20 plus 20. How much? That is equal to 40. Which evaluates. Likewise. First 10 into 20 evaluates. After this, the 20 value. Consider the simple expression used the above program and refer operator precedence and associated table chart. Where we give an associated table chart, refer that one. Result is good number. So see, this is what I explained. num1 into 2 plus 20, 10 into 2 plus 20, 20 plus 20. Okay, result is equal to 40. Result is equal to 40. Result is equal to 40. Likewise, the expression precedence will be executed. Expression precedence. Examples of associativity. Precedence is there. Associativity. In the above example, none of the operators has equal priority. So the above example do not have the equal priority. In the below example, some operators are having same priority. What are those operators? Asterisk operators have same priority. In the above expressions, we have overall 3 operators, that is 2 multiplication operators and 1 addition operator and 1 assignment operator. Now refer operator precedence and associative table block 3, which clearly tells that the associativity is from left to right associativity. So we will give the priority to multiplication operator on the left side. So asterisk plus 2 multiplication operators are there. So this multiplication is operator at the left side, this multiplication operator on the right side. Which num2 into 2 first evaluate or num1 into 2 first evaluate? At this particular time we have to go through the block 3, and there if an expression contains same priority of same precedence of operators, then we follow associativity. So follow associativity rules. Result. So first one which evaluates 10 into 2 will be evaluated 20 plus this 20 into 2. Now, so plus and into have same priority or different priority. Now at this particular time, plus into have different priorities. Now we evaluate 20 into 2, 40. So least priority plus 20 plus 40 is equal to 60. Likewise, the evaluation will be done with the help of priority and the associativity, which is already given in the definition of the compiler when the compiler has to be executed. Okay. So examples, this might be a different examples of the associativity rules we follow. Okay. So what are the operators we have? Operators are of many kinds. Okay. What are those operator types? Different kind of operator types are there. See. Conditional operator, question mark and colon, ternary operator, logical operators are the operators which are having the logical and, logical or, logical not operators, and also bitwise operators. These are bitwise operators, bitwise logical and bitwise logical are operators. And assignment operators. Assignment operator is nothing but a assignment operator. Next, relational operators. Relation less than, greater than, less than or is equal to, greater than or is equal to. Likewise, different operators are there. And next, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators plus, minus, multiplication, division, modular division. Likewise, many number of operators we have, different operators. So see, next, conditional operator, logical operator, address operator, relational operator, assignment operator. So bitwise operator, bitwise operators, logical operator, logical and or not, bitwise operator, bitwise and bitwise or operator, bitwise not operator. Only that will be executed only bit level operators. That next, unary operators. Unary operators are unary increment to unary decrement operators. Unary increment and decrement. Special operators. Special operators are plus, minus, special operators are comma operator, semicolon operator, different dot operator, all are the special operators. So when the associativity follow if same precedence of operators available in an expression. When the precedence follow, precedence is the priority which will be given to the operators. Depending on the priority, we have to follow precedence, left to right associativity or the right to left associativity or the precedence. Okay. So why we follow this precedence or associativity when an expression is going to be evaluated, and how this expression evaluates depending upon the precedence of the operator. Precedence will be given to the chart that are already defined in the chart in the that is what we will call compiler. Okay. So associativity will follow if an expression contains same precedence of operator, then we follow associativity. Okay. So in this class we discussed about the associativity and the precedence. Associativity and the precedence. For the next class we will continue to the next topic. Okay. Thank you.